What's up? It's DJ, and this is a way to make slime. And this is my guest, Abdel again.
Hi.
So this is how to make slime.
You're gonna need.
I don't know what to do, so you can explain it. This
And
is
you're
his
gonna
type of slime.
You're gonna need something to put the glue in and everything. So you're gonna get glue. You're gonna need glue. If you wanna make fluffy slime, you're gonna need this. Rubber salt. Okay. You're gonna need it. So, shaving cream. And you're gonna need, you can use borax like with water, but I'm gonna use this. They say this one is the best one making slime. This is the best thing when you use it. And something to mix it.
Yeah, this is shaving cream.
And we're just gonna pour the glue. Okay. Okay, now. Yeah, we're just gonna pour some glue.
Dang. Good. All right, dang, that's enough. That's enough.
I'm gonna pour all of it.
What? I don't know how to make slime. I might be wrong. You know.
I'm gonna pour all the glue like that. So because this is gonna make the slime bigger. If you use this, it's gonna make the slime bigger and like
If
stretchy.
you want a lot of slime, you use a lot of glue, I guess.
Glue and this make it bigger and fluffy.
Yeah, sorry.
Let's get it out.
Hello, Leg.
Get
Y'all see his dog, bro? His dog is big, and he didn't know me and my friend, and then at night he started biting us, bro. He started biting us. We was about to die.
And now he's gonna mix this.
He drooled on me. The
dog.
He drooled on me.
Wait, I did it wrong. I need to put it this way. This way, like this. Not a lot, if you want to fluffy slime. Now you're just gonna mix. See, the glue was right here. Now this over here. Now you just gonna mix it. Now you see how bigger you made it. Now it's all the way up here. That's fine. I'm just gonna mix. Shake it. This is sounds funny, but shake it. Just gonna mix. If you want to be faster, you can get something like like cake and everything there, but I'm slow, so I'm not gonna be fast. I'm gonna do this video. You wanna make it?
Cause he's a weakling, so he needs the strong person to do it. Cause he's weak.
Bruh,
they're weak.
I'm not.
I can see the glue.
You see, it's like that. I'll show you. Missed it. You see? It's like
yeah, it's pretty fluffy.
Fluffy.
All right, that's enough mixing, bro.
Just leave it right there. You're gonna get a little bit, not a lot, just like a little bit, not that much.
Yep, I don't know what I'm doing.
Well,
he's doing it.
Just so. Like this, just like that.
That much?
Yeah.
All right, show him.
You see, like that much, not a lot, and you cannot keep mixing. Then if you need more, you add more.
Okay, let me mix it now.
Wait, let me do it first. Okay. You see, now it's getting. You see, it's getting like a slime. I had one before. I got a slime, and I was like, oh, I still got a glue. Just keep mixing. Oh, I'm sorry.
Just elbow me, bro.
Yeah. If it's still not like
come on,
you're just gonna add a little bit. Start mixing. You add a little bit more.
Oh yeah, it's getting real thick. See, look, you add more to get it thick.
And when you can't mix it with the fork, you're just gonna get in. You're just gonna with your hands. So I'm gonna take this off.
Oh my gosh, it's too hard.
Okay,
it's too hard.
You're gonna stop right now.
No, I'm gonna keep on mixing.
No, because now we're gonna need to put our hands in. You're gonna do it. Me first. Keep mixing it like that. You see, now it's this like that hard. Now you're gonna start. Gonna get this out.
It's not gonna come off.
Yes, it is. you're gonna put your hands. This is the worst part. Make you get your hands dirty. Yes. Okay, I need more of that. Okay, I need you to pour a little bit in my hand. Of that, a little bit, not that much. Just like.
Okay, let's dump
this
it.
one. No, on my hand, just a little bit, not that much. Like.
Ah, it's hard, bro.
Just a little bit on this. Well, now you're gonna start. You're gonna add a little bit your hand if you want to make it easier. Start.
Or that.
It's alright. I just got a little bit. I still got more inside here. Get low. See?
Dang.
It's so fluffy. He's so fucking gonna die.
Don't look like slime.
You just need to keep mixing it. Oh, it's in my pan. Bro. Okay. Then we're gonna add lotion so it's not like.
So it can be stretchy.
Yeah.
Lotion. Where's the lotion? One pause it.
It's in my bag. So
Okay, well, you don't pause it.
No, don't pass it. Don't pass it right now. They just keep going. So when it's ready, we can add the lotion.
Okay, so if you keep on doing that, it'll eventually get to slime. See?
Sorry, it's slime.
Now it's slime.
I'm gonna grab a little bit more. You wanna hold it? It's not
No.
that sticky. It's not that sticky anymore.
And I want to hold it.
Be careful. You see, it's hot right now.
Oh, it's sticky.
Bro, I told you to don't hold it like that. You need to do it fast, fast. Don't stay like that. Don't stay like that.
Now let me see it again.
You need to go faster, like
Okay, okay, I got it. There, that's fast enough.
yeah, keep going like that. I'm gonna get
Yeah, I'm doing it.
Oh, bullet farted!
Oh my god! It's thick. The dog farted. Oh my gosh!
Why, bullet? Why are you like that?
Okay, now it's fluffy, fat. No.
You see, it's gonna start like this, getting so sticky, but don't stop mixing it. You're just gonna keep mixing.
Yeah, you gotta keep on doing it.
Doing the same thing, and then it's gonna stay like it's gonna get normal like that one. You see, it's almost there. Just need to orange.
Ooh, that's fluffy.
You see, it's not that stretchy right now. But when I add the lotion and more parmesan. You see,
Yeah.
it's not that stretchy right now. But when
It looks stretchy, but it's not yet because it's just a big glob of slime.
it's only more stretchy. You see, this one is more stretchy, but I
Yeah.
need to keep mixing this one because this one is too sticky. Just gonna grab a little.